Now here's how you can find archived text messages on Android. So let me show you how you can find it. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So essentially when you are using, for example, the Google Messages, you can open it up like this, and any messages thread conversation, you can swipe left on it and it's going to put it into the archive folder, which on the first sight is not really possible to be found. But what you can do is to tap on your profile picture in here and it's going to reveal more options, and the archived messages are most definitely in here. So this is what you need to tap on, and that is where you can find it. So you'll be able to read through them. Obviously, if they are part of the archive, then you don't really need to interact with them on the daily basis, so you can always just come back to them if you need. However, you can as well just hold down on it and tap on the button in the top right, which is like a box with the up pointing arrow, which means to unarchive them. And when you tap that, it's going to move the messages thread or conversation back to the regular main place for it. So it's going to be like any other conversation which you have available. So that's how you can archive or unarchive that and also find those messages on your device. So I hope I was able to assist you quickly in this video. In case of any further questions, let me know about those below in the comments. It's possible I'll make more videos about this type of topic. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the next videos too.